paano yan ngayon? Hindi ka na pagkatiwalaan ng PBA party list dahil binulgar mo naman lahat yan.
No.
Do you know that Villarasa belongs to PBA party list again?
Political coordinator of PBA. I knew him personally just because kasama-kasama kami niyan dyan sa barangay. No? He is a usual visitors of my barangay kasi
Madam
we
Chair,
have an infra projects.
Kap, what is PBA?
Yung isa sa mga party list natin na
PBA party list.
party list po.
Who is the PBA party list representative?
It is the Honorable Migs Nograles.
And then for the third district, sir, parehas lang po. Madam Chair. Attorney Alex, please.
Madam Chair, can we